Good morning. I've been so busy curling this wig. The tea that I just made is now on its way to being cold. Today, I have a little bit of an update for my nose. I sent my doctor a picture of my nose at the 3-month mark, and he suggested that I get some steroid injections to minimize the swelling. And he was like, we would need you to come within the next month and a half. And I was like, me fly to Turkey right now in this economy? But he did mention when he did my nose that something like this might happen. So I just found a local doctor that's going to be giving me my injection. So I'm going to go see him today. But before that, I have things to do at the house. So I figured we would just do like a day in the life kind of thing. Oh my gosh, I love it already. I've been trying to do the 90s blowout on this wig. I think I've done it. Not too much on my hair curling skills. I wonder if I have to remove my makeup before he does the injection. I didn't think about that because I didn't think I'd be wearing makeup, but here we are. I think just in case I'm gonna do something light, I'll bring a makeup wipe with me. My nose is doing pretty good. When I touch it, sometimes it is still sore. It's mostly sore on this side, which is interesting because that's the side that's the most swollen. I can tell that one side is healing a little bit faster than the other. I'm kind of hoping that this injection will at least make it a little bit more even. Right now I'm doing a light beat because I want to film some Reels, YouTube shorts, TikToks, whatever you want to call it, short videos.
I just wanna be the breadwinner and buy dinner, then go back to your place and make face. Wanna lay up in the bed with you. I figured this was your pace, guess I'll save face. Save face, yeah, yeah. I wanna be breadwinner, yeah. Breadwinner, yeah.
I think I'm gonna leave the straightener on just in case I need to do any touch-ups on the hair, which I probably will because this hair cannot hold a curl to save its life. And I just spent all that time curling it for me to just flat iron it all over again. And I sprayed it with hairspray too. Okay, let me take you off of here. Okay, let's look at the makeup in natural light. I feel like it's so much better than when I'm sitting over there in that dark corner. But I just know how to do my makeup by heart so well that I don't even need to be in natural light in order to do it. It's 1:30. I need to leave the house by 2:30. Oh my God, you are not. Why would you choose to? You have so much bed to choose from and you choose to lay on what I'm supposed to be wearing. I don't get that. And your paws? Your paws are next to my satin skirt. Please don't scratch it. No. I hope you're comfortable. You're on top of my desk. I don't have time to grab my tripod. I want to shoot at least 4 outfits. It's a stretch for an hour because of like all the running around and changing. Actually less than an hour. So yeah, I should have had these picked out yesterday, but I didn't really know I was going to be doing anything until this morning. I don't have a navy or a gold bag. I don't have white heels. Oh, but the black shirts I have are so boring. Can't think about that. I think that's on the out. It's not giving. Literally cannot think about that. This is the point where my room starts looking like a mess and there's no turning back now. I could totally wear the Gucci slides. Completely forgot I had these. Right with the smell of plastic. So this is what we're looking at. That shirt, just a little bit more dressy with those pants and these shoes. My gosh, I love these and they're so comfortable. And then a little Canadian tuxedo moment, denim on denim with the cowboy boot. And then this is a 2-piece set. Don't ask me what shoes I'm wearing with that yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually wear that in the video. And then I've got this sheer shirt on top of this skirt, and then the Gucci slides. Everything's kind of a mess, but it's just for the video. And then I'm gonna wear these parachute pants with the Balenciagas, and then I'm thinking about a dress on top as a shirt. So yeah, super interesting. I can't wait to see how this comes out. My alarm went off. It's time for me to go. Confirming my ride, babes. Wallet, phone, my keys. What do you think about these shades? I don't know. I don't know if they're alive. Okay, my driver's arriving in 5 minutes. I was supposed to leave now, but I didn't. Okay, I did schedule that time, but I wasn't finished filming, so I went over. Might have to be a little bit late. Okay, I know these are brown and I'm wearing all black, but what do you think about these? Oh, it's gotta be these, right? I need something like this in black. Okay, phone, wallet, keys, lip gloss. I still need lip gloss. All right, it's a little bit hectic in here. I have to clean up my room before the Uber gets here, like at least make it some kind of presentable before I leave the house. Otherwise, I'll just come back home and be really frazzled. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm in the Uber. So I went to go talk to the doctor, and he told me that he wouldn't advise me to get the shot. And I looked at this doctor's like background, and I do trust his opinion. And from what he told me, and also from my own research, just in case, like, it's just, I always make sure to do my own research just in case they don't really know what they're talking about, or like something doesn't add up. So he basically told me what I generally knew, which is that my nose is healing pretty fine. He doesn't suggest that I get a shot, so I didn't end up getting anything done. But you know what, at least we're outside, the weather is beautiful. I'm just waiting for my ride.
How did it go?
I didn't get anything done.
What do you mean?
He suggested I don't do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Did he say why?
And he was like, well, here's the thing, that your nose is so fresh. It's only been 4 months that,
Yeah.
you know, we don't want to do something that's going to be irreversible.
Yeah.
Because, well, I was doing my own research online, of course, because I like to make sure that they know what they're talking about.
Yeah.
I don't care who you are, the doctor in Istanbul or the doctor here.
Yeah.
So what he was saying was lining up with what I found online,
Okay.
which, you know, really helped. Yeah, basically, so the steroid shot is going to help with the scar tissue, help like disintegrate that. But
Okay.
since my nose is still healing, you don't want to accidentally disintegrate something that's not scar tissue.
Oh.
Like the shot doesn't know what's scar tissue and what's regular tissue.
Okay.
So he said, you know, if anything, you come in after, you know, you're
With
fully
some time.
healed.
Yeah.
Yeah, you come in after a year if you're still not satisfied, which
Yeah.
makes sense because the only thing I couldn't find online is whether or not it worked with fully healed tissue or
Yeah.
not fully healed. So
Yeah.
I thought it only worked on healing tissue because my doctor said you should come in, you know, this month or next month.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, oh, okay, well, this must be urgent. What's going on over here?
You know, the things.
The
that they
crazy
said.
vegan. They got a vegan truck.
It's not the. Oh, I thought it was the rides.
No, it's food trucks.
Oh, they're all vegan? No.
No, not all of them, just one of them. Yeah, I agree with him. I'm thinking, you know, if my nose isn't fully healed, why am I gonna
Yeah, exactly.
get this done?
Yeah.
So I mean, if anything, I can always go back later, which I probably don't think I will. He said I'm on a very good track because I showed him
Yeah.
pictures of my progress. I've been taking, I had my before pictures, and then I showed him the pictures of every week, because I've been taking pictures every week.
Okay.
And he said I'm you know, I'm healing very nicely.
Okay. All right, so let's let it do what it's gonna do then.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
but the whole thing is that I was like, oh my god, I booked this appointment for nothing, and he was so nice. He didn't charge me anything. I was like, thank you.
Oh my god, that is so awesome.
He was so nice. He's such
Really?
a, like, he's a little old man.
Oh, wow.
But he was very, very nice.
Wow.
He explained everything like in an easy way, and like, you know. Yeah, and the lady at the front desk was nice too. That's who really gets the foot in the door for me.
Yeah, exactly.
The people at the front desk.
Yeah. Yeah, because you know they're being treated right.
Exactly. She was lovely.
Yeah.
But did anything come for me in the mail?
I just wanna be the breadwinner and buy dinner, then go back to your place and make face. Wanna lay up in the bed with you. I figured this was your pace, guess I'll save face. Save face, yeah, yeah. I wanna be breadwinner, yeah. Breadwinner, yeah.
Oh my god, it's 9 o'clock and I'm yawning like a grandma. But look what just came in the mail. I said I would get these when I reached 1,000 subscribers, so that's where we're at. Probably by the time you see this, I probably have like a little bit more than that. I've been doing YouTube for a while now. I want to say like consistently, maybe for like 2 years, and it's been really fun. I keep buying new things to support my addiction. I would call it a hobby, but like honestly, the way I buy like software and cameras and SD cards and hard drives, I spent so much money on this hobby that I'm just like, what if one day I wake up and I don't like it anymore? But that has yet to happen. So I just keep spending more money, and this is just another investment I've been working with. I have these headphones from Target, from the $5 section or $3 section, and they've been really good. They're Bluetooth headphones. They even play the radio, like they even have like a little slot for you to insert a SIM card just in case you downloaded your own music. But look at, there's tape holding them together. So I'm gonna finally get rid of these. Wow, they're so white. Oh my gosh. I put grease on my hair, so I'm definitely gonna need a cover for this so it doesn't turn that a different color. And because it's in my hair, it also like gets onto my ears, and I also wear a lot of makeup that is blended into my ears, so I'm definitely gonna get some silicone covers for this as well. Definitely needs a real case too, because this little flimsy thing is not gonna cut it when I'm like throwing it into a suitcase. You know, I did a lot of things and I accomplished a lot today, so I can't really say that not everything went to plan. There was only really one thing that didn't go my way, which ended up being better for me in the end. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the doctor didn't charge me for the visit. I was like, this is 100% pretty privilege. Like, I'm not saying it's right, I'm just saying what it is. Because I really didn't want to pay for getting absolutely nothing done. It was just like, so yeah, I don't know, it was a little bit overwhelming, especially because right now I'm trying to save money. I say that as I unbox these headphones, but like these headphones are in the budget while I'm still saving money, if that makes sense. I'm trying not to dip into those savings, and this was kind of an unexpected expense. My doctor from Turkey did tell me that I might need this, so I kind of put it in the back of my mind and forgot about it, and I thought maybe, you know, at the 1 year mark then I would need to come back and have it done. I just want to keep you guys in the loop of what's actually going on, just in case you happen to get a rhinoplasty and next thing you know, your doctor is messaging you saying, hey, like it looks like you need some kind of steroid injection to help minimize with the swelling. So yeah, I'm not going to be getting an injection, but that is my personal choice. Honestly, it's up to you guys what you want to do, but I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop so that you know that, you know, maybe if you're planning to have a rhinoplasty in the future and you're like, I want to know what a nose would look like without the injection, then you can use my life as an example. I'm pooped. I'm honestly like even a little bit sore from all the running around from the outfit videos. Oh my god, you guys, please keep your eyes peeled for these outfit videos. When I say like chef's kiss, they are some of the best, hottest outfits I've ever put together. Like it's look after look after look after look. So please, if you're not following me on Instagram, go check that out. If you're not following me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok, Instagram, so you guys can see these outfits, because dare I say it's some of my best work. I'm really excited to put that out there. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. It's just nice to see that you guys like what I'm doing. So when I see people subscribing, it lets me know that I'm doing something right, or I'm on the right track. And it feels really good. Doing YouTube just feels so natural. Something about it feels like I was always going to do it anyway. I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I'm gonna go watch Netflix and call it a night.